Khalifa, man. Paper Plane Gang. 501 Young. Hey, shout out to my brother Spitter, man. I just wanted to say that. Yeah. Bitch can see this shit from across the street, nigga. It's pimpin' over here. Macaroni. Cushion oranges, nigga. What up, Chevy? Germ, I see. Cardo on the beat. I don't love them, I don't chase them, I duck them. Smoke something, go to a new state soon as I fuck them. Niggas be pressed for pussy, it ain't nothing. Instead of worrying about who that bitch fucking, why don't you get you some money? 9 times out of 10 she see me stunting. Game running, wanna know my hotel and who phone the ring when she coming. I keep it 100. Get love from the hoes, but it's money over bitches, nothing above it. Like the weed, loud like my engine when I speed up. Bitches holding they weed, rolling trees with their pretty feet up. Them suckers often imitate, but they can't beat us. So super high, look in the sky when you won't see me, bruh. Cut my speakers up, drowning out what the critics say. Just continue to smoke and remain G as fuck. Polo socks match my polo hat. She leave once, it's a known fact, and she ain't coming back. Now Taylor gang that shit changed, but the amount of horses in my motor when I switch lanes. And I beat them blind with the diamonds in my big chain. Heavy in the game, lil' homie, I'm doing big things. And them bitches, they mesmerize, they recognize I keep it so G, Get you some money fucking with me. I don't love them, I don't chase them, I duck them. Try to get paper out of fucker, don't know shit about her. I take you up where it's cloudy. Ain't one of them lames, still rockin' Prada. I go to Louis and blow a couple thousand. One of my baddest bitches, rolling up while I'm driving. And she don't even smoke, just hit it once while she light it. My game tight, sell and sign it. Them niggas just playin', ain't really ballin'. Saying they being honest, claiming that's your wife, but we can't call it. She all in my hotel suite at 3 in the morning, taking their clothes off, inhaling weed and coughing. Ain't her first time cheapin', but say she don't do this often. Since I was 16, I had all the intentions to keep it G. Take niggas' hoes and smoke hella trees with them. As for your team, you niggas in the stands, you just looking. I'm a pro to these rookies, and the plan is still paper over pussy. And ain't shit changed, but the amount of horses in my motor when I switch lanes. And I beat them blind with the diamonds in my big chain. Heavy in the game, lil' homie, I'm doing big things. And them bitches, they mesmerize, they recognize I keep it so G, Get you some money fucking with me. Yeah, nigga. This shit just don't sound cool. That's what we go to sleep to, wake up to.